So these are the contents of the box. So you have the manual, a recipe book, the lid, small and the big lid of the jug. This is the 2-liter jug of the blender, and the motor base, and you have the tamper. What I did so far is to clean the jug and then chuck in all the fruit ingredients of my smoothie, such as frozen banana, frozen mango, some passion fruit, and I think half of a fresh banana. And I put in some soy milk to blend and some of my homemade soy yogurt, and then I added a teaspoon or 2 of the super greens powder from Vitality for added nutrition. And yes, let's see how this goes.